game with the first game y'all had, the Thursday night game. Some of your girls look a little tired, running them down the court, and you kind of pin out some of the ones who can't give you that up, down, quick up, down, like 3 or 4 times in a row. And kind of going back to your rotation, as far as using your players and motivating your players to get in the game and do a job. I mean, how do you motivate these girls or to get in the game and when they get in there to play ball?
Well, one thing I refuse to coach is energy and effort and attitude. So people have to have a passion for what they're doing. If they don't have a passion for the game of basketball, I don't think it's my job as a coach to make them passionate about something. Like, I'm passionate about the game of basketball. Sometimes it hurts me and sometimes it helps me. But for my players, I want them to understand that I'm passionate about the game, and so when I walk in to the gym, that I want them to be passionate about something that they say that they love. So if it's something that you say that you love, then I shouldn't have to motivate you internally, because you should already be motivated because you told me that you love the game of basketball. So I've never once, as long as I can remember, never once anyone had to motivate me to be around basketball. It was something that I wanted to do. So much so, I mean, when I was a kid, I boycotted Christmas and Thanksgiving to go play basketball. So I think that's just how I've always been. And yeah, that's kind of how I am as a person. Like, it means that much to me. So for someone who it doesn't mean as much to, and we probably won't see eye to eye, because I'm really driven about the game of basketball. It's done so much for me, and it's brought me so many different places and given me so many different opportunities. I wouldn't be where I am today if it wasn't for basketball. So I've dedicated my life to the game. I respect the game. I love the game, and so it's given back to me. So I appreciate that. So what I try to do is I try to pass on the same life lessons that I've learned from basketball to my players, so they can understand it's not just about the game of basketball. We respect the game, we respect our opponent, but what I'm trying to teach you is how the game of basketball translates over into life. And so if you can be a winner in the game of basketball, you can be a winner in life.